All right, welcome back to another video of my gift for Sunday simulations today. So I did the random.org. I got my 2 days. Well, I got 1 day, but I'm gonna do 2 days on gold. I'm gonna do March 24th and March 25th. Those are the 2 days that, well, March 24th popped up, but I figured might as well do 2 days in a row. Get the 2 day simulation going, and then go from there. But yeah, out of further ado, let's get started on this one. So let's go to the weekly. March, you can see pandemic concerns, etc. You have this meteoric rise up and then a huge sell off. You tapped into this support level right here, taps into it, and then completely rejects it. If you go to the daily, and you can see sells, buys, it's basically doing the same thing, right? 4 hour, same thing. You can see the support a little bit more defined on the 4 hour right here, kind of this level here. So the buys will be played above 1500s, sells below here. Obviously we know where the price is at right now, so that's kind of an unfair advantage we have. But other than that, you see how it's kind of slowed down. You have this wedge formation happening, so the buys above that wedge, below this wedge. Let me delete that though. I'm gonna remove all drawings as well. Some drawings. Put that there. I'm gonna clean it up. There we go. All right. So this is, what day is this? March 20th. So now if we go to the daily, I'm gonna fast forward 1 day. Oh, wrong button. That is not good. Well, we know what happens now. I meant to play that one. There we go. March 20th, 23rd. Okay, so now it's the 24th. So as you can see on the Monday, it had a bullish move up. But we're just gonna play price action. We kind of know what happens. Kind of unfair, but just based off price action, we have to play, right? Let me go to the 5 a.m. candle. 3, 4. Yeah, that's a candlestick. All right. So now we can see Monday, bull move up, find support, continues bullish momentum. What I'll be looking for is a pullback. I want to see a pullback or a wick formation, create support, and then continued bullish momentum upwards. There's fear in the market, etc. 745, you have flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. There's quite a bit happening there, but we shall see what happens. So 30 minute kind of rejected the top level. Wonder if there is, yeah, there's a reason why it rejected this level. Let me show you guys right there. That is the support, but buys, you can fill the wick easily. So based on 15-minute, I do want to see a pullback before continuing upwards. Other than that, I have no trade right now for it. I want to see a pullback and then continue momentum. So we're going to break it down to the 5-minute. Play candlestick by candlestick. It's not a deep enough pullback for me. That is what I'm looking for though. Right there. Kind of that doji right there. But as you can see, this 5-minute candle is, god damn, that's a 140 pip 5-minute candle. Wow. Okay, so based off of volatility, this is the area where you have to reduce your position sizing. I got killed in March just because of these 5-minute candles. I'll tell you guys that much right now. But say if I were to enter, I would need like a 50 pip room, right? We'll put like buy limits at the 90s. So if I put buy limit at 90, my stop would be 84. So I'm gonna play like that. Right now I have a buy limit at 90. So that'd be like, I'm gonna give it like 50 pips for 50 pips and let it run a run. So buy limit at 1590. SL 1584. TP 1595. Run it, run based off structure. So we'll see how that goes. What was that? Could not be a 5-minute candle. Almost. You know what? After this, I would reconsider my. I'm gonna put buy limit at 91. Wow, that's so crazy. I'm gonna put it 91. So let's say I got executed 91. I'm gonna put my stop below this area now. My stop would be, I think I give it 1588. My first TP. Damn, that's so insane. This is why the volatility, when that kicked in, it was just massive, right? So the TP gets hit like instantly. This is not a good day to trade. Tell you guys that right now. Look at those candlesticks. Is that when the gold supply stopped? I don't know, but look at the volatility on those candlesticks. There was a certain time when the gold mining stopped and the spreads literally became like 50 pips. So I might have to do another day, to be honest. And I think this was it right here. Because these moves are very unheard of on gold. Give me a second. Yeah, it was this time. I remember it. You see these wicks and the crazy volatility on the candlesticks? That was it. So I guess I'm changing my date. Let's go to April. April 24th? That was a fail, but okay, let's go April 21st. Or I can just play it up till then. That's insane. Well, that was a fail. See, what date is this? April 21st? Yep, we are there. We are there. Now let's get to my time. One more. There we go. So now let's reanalyze this. Okay, we have the price breaking out of resistance. We have this area it could tap into, and then this area. So it is still bullish right now. We break it down on the 30-minute, taps into the support. This is an easy buy. Right now, if I was awake at this time, I would take a buy. My risk would be 40 pips or 40 pips and then have a runner go. So I think I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to have my buy limit at 1702. My stop will be 17 or 1699. So let me write that. Buy limit 1702, SL 1698, TP 40 for 40, 1706, runner run based off structure. Okay. Forex Factory. Let me get to April 22nd, I think it is. 22nd, just Trump speaks, and then the 23rd, unemployment claim. So that's quite a bit. Let's see what happens though. So on the 15 minutes, let's go down to the 5 candlestick. So my limit got hit, and it's still bouncing off that support. You know what? I wanted that 17. Oh, stop loss. Now I'm gonna wait for my second trade. So this is trade 1. Stopped out. Trade 2. I'm still looking for buys. This is still bullish. Still looking for buys. Wait for a wick formation on lower. So that's basically what I'm going to do for my second set of buys. 15-minute, as you can see, it's still selling off. There is no wick formation. Let me continue this. 40, 50. It's bear. I should have sold when it broke support. Hey, I'm gonna put note here. Intra and then a day sell. I'm gonna put note there. I gotta be more nimble, right? Put that trade one there, note here. Be more nimble. That's my lesson over here. Let's continue this. Can I look at the hour? I can look at the hour. Hour sells off. I do expect a bullish move up though. That's the biggest thing. I think that might be my biggest downfall. So I'm gonna be entering. Yeah, 1696 now. So my entry is 1696. My stop would be below this wake, 1693. $16.93 TP 1700. Let runner run. Gold always has these wicks. That's what I'm talking about, right? All right, so my limit got hit. Now my stop loss is below this candlestick. And I think we're gonna let this one run. This might just have been the liquidity grab to push up higher. That's the one thing I'm expecting. There, see it goes. So the TP hit. TP did not hit yet. Let's be fair. 1625. So I can look at the 30-minute. 30-minute, you get the structure. Let's go out on 5. Okay, so TP hit there. /30. Trusted higher. Bullish structure formation. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So that's basically, I'm trusting my analysis on that. And now we can let it run. Higher time frame was always bullish. That's my biggest thing. I'm gonna go 30-minute and look, it taps into that, but you can see it was bullish. Sell off, liquidity grab to start the week, and then bullish straight up. Taps into 1710. Next level 1720s. But as you can see, it will be based off this 30-minute formation. So we can let it run. With a 30-minute look. Up. So now my stop loss is going to be below 30-minute candles. And we let it run. I guess 1710 was the level, eh? Boom. How does it look on the hour? Maybe it could be the hour. Yeah, I guess the hour would have been better for that. Put a note on that. Sorry, give me a sec. Let's go 15-minute. Put this note here. And then here, I'm going to do or 1 hour candlesticks. Because even if you look at the 1 hour, you could see this bullish formation, right? So it works out. I mean, it's probably, yeah, 17, 18. That's a TP right there. But if you go to the hour now, I think hour is starting to break structure. Yeah, hour started to break structure here at 2 o'clock. So that is the trade of the day. That is the one that makes you everything back plus more. Let the runner run. You trust the higher time frame analysis, and you keep on moving with that. Overall profitable J. This sell-off is actually nice. Should have really paid more attention to that. I'm pretty sure 1695 is a key level that I have. If I look at my other charts, I won't go to it now, but I'll look at it after. So this was a good day for gold overall. Higher time frame was bullish, trusted the analysis. The intraday, there was a sell. Could have played this sell because this sell after it broke the structure, 40 pips, kind of let the runner run. Or you just take out profits because it's still bullish. And then look, you let the bullish play go. And from this point, that's about 200 pips, right? So that was a good lesson. Overall, pretty good trade. And honestly, I kind of want to do a different pair now. Let's do GP CAD. Let's do GP CAD. Let's do the same date. Let me hide this. There we go. Thank God. What is going on? Oh, it's a 5 minute. Whoops. There we go. 1 hour. And we shall replay the same date right here. On hide. And where are we? One more candlestick. Boom. Okay, so now we look at GP CAD. GP CAD, support, resistance, buys above here, and sells below this level. Really, if I had to really do a quick analysis on the higher time frame structure, last week, I guess it's kind of in a consolidation range right now, yeah? Monday, you have the sell-off. Now it's ranging. Safe buys above this level and sells below this level. We go down to 30-minute. I am a bullish. Yeah, that is looking bullish AF. So I'll be looking for buys on GP CAD. And with that, I think, yeah, let's just let it run a little bit. Boom, there it is. That's the candlestick formation that you want to see. If I go to the 15-minute, yeah, it kind of pierced through there. Had a pullback. Safe buys are obviously going to be above this 5-minute structure, but it's starting to break out on the 15-minute and on the 30-minute and on the 1 hour. So I think when it finds support, still in this range right now. I got one more candlestick, kind of missed the 30. Now it's breaking lower. Yeah, sells below this level or buys above this level. That's one thing I'm going to be looking for. So let me continue this. Taps into there. And what time is that? 5:45. Let's go 2 more. So now if we go to 30-minute, yeah. 30-minute. Look at this beautiful range. My God, that's nice. 1 hour. That is kind of a weird 1 hour, not gonna lie. It's tough to trade that. It's in a range. You can't really trade it right now. I would be looking for buys though. Support. Created. You know what? I don't want to chase it. It's still in a range. It's tough to trade a range. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna have those levels defined. Sells below, buys above. Keep it. There we go. Now I wish I could look at the 30. I guess I got one more candlestick to look at the 30. Yep, look at that 30. Finish bearish. Now I'm looking for sells. I'm gonna get sells down to this level, for example. That's still 24 pips. Put a limit up here and then continue it. So I'm gonna put sell limit. How am I gonna play it? So if I did punch in at 30s, I do want to see a pullback though. 40s. Yeah, I'm gonna put limits. So let's do that, and I'm gonna see how the next 5-minute reacts. What is that? 625. So I do. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, 40s. I called it right there. I'm gonna say it was at 40 because that's the one price I was looking at. I'm gonna put 174.40. TP 174.20. Whoa, 1.7420. SL would have been probably 70 area. There we go. See, now when it broke the range, it should continue downwards. So this TP did hit. Honestly, it should have been a 30 for 30 trade. Now that I look at it. So that's one thing I'm going to do there. 35, 45. Yeah, there we go. 15 minute. Yeah, this is about to break support, so you can let this runner go. Yeah, this runner is about to crash. 7:30. I'm gonna go one more candlestick. Look at the 1 hour. So as you can see, 1 hour broke support. 4 hour, same thing. Pretty bearish in my opinion. But we're gonna leave the trade going based off 1 hour. Flash 1 hour candle. So I guess let's just continue on the 1 hour. Boom. Oh, I got hit. Hit before the drop. Good trade overall though. I guess this candlestick, you had a liquidity grab and then a pushing lower. So I would have been out around 174.10. I guess that is the level. But damn, look at that break. That is a nice break. It's a quick simulation there. This was a quick simulation today. Sorry, I gotta run. I've been getting text calls, people coming in and out. Yeah, I apologize for the short simulation. We got 2 days done. Maybe I'll be on a little bit later for another simulation. We have our gold analysis, how gold moves, what happened previously as well. Shit, 1695 was the level, eh? Remember how we were doing the simulation in April? 1695, key level alerts. April, oh, right here, yeah, key level alert, taps into 1695. This is why I'm keeping the levels. I used to like redraw every day, and now I'm keeping the levels on, especially on gold, because you can see before the bullish move up in April, right here, you see how it taps into 1695 and then continues up. This was a day right here, grabs liquidity and then boom, continues higher. But yeah, I got sidetracked there. Sorry about that. Sorry about the short simulation stream and not as much information. I'm gonna edit the title. Shorter simulation. But we did have a pretty good simulation. We had a losing trade. The pound CAD played out pretty nicely. Overall, it was a good simulation. Obviously, I need to do more of these. I've been pretty busy the past couple days. It's a long weekend. Independence Day, I don't really celebrate it, but I've got a lot going on. Personal life, and obviously got to take care of that. We have our gold analysis video you guys could look at. If you enjoy the simulation, leave a like, comment, subscribe. But other than that, have a wonderful rest of your day.